So, tragedies. I didn't know tragedies came in threes, but I guess, this is life, right? First, let me just say that I love you all. Like, a lot. Like, if this were, the average amount of love you could give to a person or a dog or a bird, then I love you guys this much. So, that's what I'm saying. Anyway, tragedies. Yeah, bird. Tragedies come in threes, apparently, and it all started with the coffee. I had run out of coffee, which is unusual. And then I was making a sandwich. No! No more, is there? There's no more. Yeah. And I ran out of mayo. And then, to top it all off, I went to have a lime and lager. And guess what I was out of? Lime cordial. Sometimes it's just so difficult to maintain your sanity. And the crazy thing is, I always have an extra bag or two of coffee in the cupboard. I always have a bottle or two of lime cordial on the shelves. I always have another container or two of Miracle Whip on the shelves as well. Always. How is it that I could run out of all three on the same day? I'm blown away by it. Junebug, come here. Come closer. Lick away my tears, Junebug. Lick away my tears. Ew. What was that? Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm in a bit of a grand funk. And I'll be this way until I replenish my supplies. Tomorrow, when Alicia comes. She'll have everything. Anyway. Enjoy this beautiful scenery for a few minutes.